Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful infographic using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format the background with two-step linear gradient. Change the gradient direction and stop colors using eyedropper tool. Next go to Insert tab and then draw delay shape under flowchart section. Rotate this shape by 90 degrees and then align it centrally to slide. Next format this shape with 3-step linear gradient. Adjust the stop positions and change their colors using eyedropper tool. Now adjust the gradient angle until its direction matches with the background. Next we will format its outline by increasing its weight to 4 points and then formatting it with 4-step linear gradient. Place all gradient stops at equal distances and then change every alternate stop color with white and black colors. That gives a glossy effect around the shape. Adjust the gradient angle if required. Now duplicate this shape using Ctrl+D, reduce its size, and then place it over top left corner as shown. Now again select both the shapes, duplicate them using Ctrl+D, and then remove their outlines. Now we will make use of these shapes to create glossy shades. Go to Insert tab and then draw a oval shape as shown, then increase its transparency to see-through. I guess this placement is perfect. Now duplicate this oval shape using Ctrl+D and place it over bigger shape as shown. Rotate it, adjust the size and then place it as per your requirement. Once done, intersect these shapes to get the required sections. Now format both the shapes with 2-step linear gradient. Change both stop colors to white and then adjust their transparency level until you get desired glossy effect. Finally, drag and place them over original shapes as shown. That looks perfect. Next we will create a shadow effect at the bottom by making use of same flowchart shape. Remove its outline and then format it with 2-step linear gradient. Change right side stop color to black and increase the transparency of left side stop to 100%. Adjust the gradient angle and stop positions as shown. Now go to Soft Edges feature and increase its value until we get desired shadow effect. Rotate it, adjust the size, place it at the bottom of our shapes as shown and then send it to back. That looks perfect. Now select all these shapes and place them at the first position as per our design requirement. Duplicate these shapes using Ctrl+D and then place them at the second position. Once second position is finalized, we just need to duplicate these shapes 3 more times using Ctrl+D and it will automatically follow the same pattern. Select all these shapes and then align them centrally to slide. Now let's change the gradient colors using eyedropper tool to give this design a vibrant look. Let's speed up to save time. Finally, add PNG icons and text fields onto our design. Make sure to change their colors as per the design requirement. Let's speed up to save time. So here is the final preview of this beautiful infographic design. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.